Hi there, folks. This is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com. That's truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. We do not put any pricing on YouTube. However, all of our prices are listed on our website. So if you have any pricing inquiries, please give us a call or jump over to our website. I will put a direct link to this particular RV in the description below. We are a full-service dealer. We do offer warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions on those, please call my brother Luke in our office at 419-899-2020. For sale today, we have a 2002 Pleasureway. All right, folks, we are inside of this '02 Pleasureway Excel TS. As always, I'm going to start at the front, make my way towards the rear. I'm going to try to get you a couple different angles of the inside of this RV. Try to accomplish to get you a feel for the overall condition as well as a feel for the space inside of this unit. We are a small family owned and run dealership. My father started this in 1976. Small town business, small town values. You will not get any high pressure sales here. You're more than welcome to come out and spend the day touring this unit and or all of our units. We will let you gladly look by yourself if you prefer that, or if you want us to walk through them with you. If you're a beginner, we will demo everything to your satisfaction before you leave here. Try to teach you as much as we possibly can so you feel comfortable. Living the RV lifestyle. All right, just over the rear entry door here, we have your levels gauges, water pump switch, remote start for your own generator, showing 144 hours. A brand new Onan generator was installed by the previous owner 2 to 3 years ago. Hot water heater switch, LP carbon monoxide. Nice big stainless backsplash behind the 2-burner cooktop there. We've got a single basin kitchen sink with the cutting board that covers that. Gives you extra counter space. 3-way refrigerator that will run on 12-volt electricity, 110-volt electricity, or propane gas. That was brand new this spring by the previous owner. The bathroom is right here to our right. The door swings towards me, so I'll show you that on the way back towards the front. Rooftop air conditioning unit. The rear sofa bed is power. Switch is right here. All we've got to do is hold the switch. Run the sofa down into your bed. This unit, you would sleep crossways this way. There is a board in the front closet that I'll also show you. The board you can put here on the ledges to span this gap, and then you can use the cushions, the back cushions, to fill this space to make this bed bigger if you'd like to do that. Windows on either side of the bed that do open. Get you a nice cross breeze if you've got a cool evening and wanted to sleep with the windows open. Original TV has been removed. Flat screen TV with DVD player has been installed. VCR is still in there. Probably don't use those too often anymore. Power switch for the sofa. Then we got the thermostat for the propane furnace. Fantastic fan in the ceiling. What did one angel say to the other angel? Halo. Really, really nice clean unit with the new fridge, the new generator. Show you the bathroom here. A lot of people prefer these pleasureways over the Road Trek for the mere fact that we get a dedicated room for the shower bathroom. Unlike the Road Treks where you're showering in the aisle, you can close this door and keep the water and everything inside this closet here. Really, really clean unit. Overall, my personal opinion, taking into consideration the age, the miles, what should be considered normal wear and tear, I'd rate this one in the low 9s. Microwave. Good size wardrobe here. Got the thing up top where you can hang your clothes. This here is your board to span that gap in the back to make that bed bigger. Little round table. Very well kept unit. Like I said, I'd rate this in the low 9s. If you have any questions on this one, give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealership around since 1976. All right, folks, I'm going to give you a quick little rundown of the outside of this unit. It is 19.5 feet from bumper to bumper. The tires were new in 2016. It has an 11.5 foot awning. It's on the Dodge 3500 chassis, and it is the Excel TS floor plan. We have 2 vents here for the refrigerator. A couple of exterior outlets. Access to your hot water heater. Going to fill your onboard water tank right here. Coach battery. Spare tire mounted on the rear door, as well as the tow package. The generator is right up in where the spare tire would normally be on this vehicle. Your propane tank, your vent for your furnace, cable TV, city water, shore power cord, exterior shower, gasoline tank, and a pretty decent sized storage compartment here.